In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a cinematic mode on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up your camera app. By default, camera app starts in photo mode. If you would like to switch it to a cinematic mode, all you have to do is just tap right here. Here's where cinematic mode located. You can tap right there. Or first off, you can tap add video to go left and then tap add cinematic right over here. Once it is done, you can immediately start recording a video by tapping at that red button. However, first off, you can configure it a bit so we can turn off flashlight. By tapping right here, we can switch flashlight from off to auto mode. If we tap at that arrow and then tap at flashlight, we'll be able to set it to on, so while taking a video, flashlight instead of auto will be automatically turned on all the time you are taking a video. Also in here we can change the video file format. We can switch it from HD up to 4K. That will highly increase video quality, and that will also highly increase the video file size. I'm gonna switch it back to HD, and on HD mode we are able to switch frames per second from 30 to 60. Oh, sorry guys, we cannot do that on cinematic. We can do that just while we are on a video mode. I think we cannot do it on 4K as well. On 4K we can just reduce frames per second to 24. We can switch between 30 and 24. And also we can tap right here at that icon, and then we'll be able to control the option which is called depth. The more you move it like that to the left to f2.0, the more it will blur the background of your main object that you are currently shooting, like that. As you can see how high it blurs the background on a video mode. Guys, that is not photo mode, that is video mode. And if we move it to the very right, as you can see, it blurs it just a little bit. That's basically what cinematic mode is. This mode allows us to make video more professional by highlighting the main object, by blurring the background, and also in a cinematic mode, dynamic range of a video is increased a bit. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.